Hi, this is Krista Joy with Special Needs for Special Kids here with another edition of Free Worksheet Wednesday. It's summertime and I have a fun activity for this week. Students are going to figure out what they would need to set up a lemonade stand. So this is very much like a circle map, just without the circle. So they have this glass of lemonade they can color first and then put in the pictures of what they would need for a lemonade stand. So it comes with this version that only has correct answers, and then this one has some wrong answers mixed in if you have students that are at that point. It does come in black and white. There is a digital version as well. And on the second page there is a link if you want to find a free picture recipe to make lemonade, which would go perfect with this activity. So I hope that you have a great week and stay cool. I'm Krista Joy with Special Needs for Special Kids, and I'll see you next week with another free worksheet.